Hi, so this is Amanda, and this is day 3 of the math for the Parapro. This is our 13th lesson, and this is going to be our last lesson. So this is last day of the data analysis, or no, this is going to be the last day of our geometry and measurement, okay? We're going to talk about different types of graphs, and we're going to talk about charts in this one. And so right now, you're looking at a bar graph. And you're going to need to be able to read graphs and interpret the data represented. So this is going to be in all 3 of the sections. It's in math, it's in the reading, and it's in the writing, okay? So they're going to ask you different types of questions, but it's going to be in all 3 sections. So this right here is called a bar graph. You can see the different bars right here. It also represents the quadrant 1 of our XY coordinate plane. Remember where X was positive and Y was positive? Looks just like that. So you just need to know that these right here, these axes, those are just information. So you need to understand that we read the information both. Nicest fruit. So they mean which one's most popular, right? And they have 6 different ones here and how many people like them. So the question is, which fruit was most popular? So which one of these is the highest? All right. So you can see right here, blueberry was the most popular. And then maybe another question would be like, which one was the least popular? Well, grapes. Grapes only has 5 people. And then maybe they'll have a comparison question. Which fruit was least popular other than grapes? So you're looking for something that's not, it's a little more popular than grapes, so maybe bananas. So those are the kind of questions they would ask you with bar graphs. Another question or another chart that they're going to have is pie charts. So a pie chart is like a piece of pie and it's in sections all together. The whole equals 100%. Okay, the total is 100%, and each section is a percentage of that whole chart, just like a piece of a whole pizza pie, right? So 100%, the numbers don't equal 100 though. It can be more or less than 100, but the percentage is 100. So what is the total number of people asked about ice cream? You would do 38 plus 23 plus 30 plus 16. So 30 plus 38 is 68 plus 23, that would be 40, let's see, 60, say 83, 88, 89. Wait, 88, 89, 90, 91 plus 7, 16. That's 107, right? Y'all better double check me. All right, and then line graphs. This is exactly like quadrant 1, but now they have little lines going up and down. So on which day did Jane sell the most cookies? If you look, you can see that it was the highest on Tuesday. How many cookies did she sell on Tuesday? We can see it was 10. On which day did she sell the least amount of cookies? That was Friday. How many did she sell on Friday? 4. Okay. On which 2 days did she sell the same amount of cookies? We can see on Wednesday and Thursday. How many cookies did she sell on those days? 6. How many more cookies did she sell on Monday than on Wednesday? So we would subtract. 8 minus 6 would be 2. So she sold 2 more cookies on Monday than she did on Tuesday or Wednesday. All right. And then we're also going to talk about rounding decimals right here. Much like when we learned place value, which was slides 34 and 35, some answers will require you to round numbers. The rounding rules are for 5 or higher, you go to the next digit. 4 or less, you stay on the same digit. So our rule would be 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, let it soar. 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, raise the score. So let's look at some examples here. Let's practice. If I have, let me write this down for you. I don't know where my blank paper went. We'll just use a notebook paper here. All right. My colored markers from our manipulables will be fine. So let's round to the nearest dollar. Okay, so I have, it's all money. Let's do 356. And we're going to the nearest dollar. So is this going to go up or down? 5 or more, raise the score. So it's going to go up to $4. All right, our next one, let's do 206. Is it going to go up or down? It's going to go down to $2 because that is a 0. All right, how about 96 cents? Is it going to go up or down? It's going to go up to $1. All right, how about we do it to the nearest tenths? So we have 673. Remember tenths? That will be your dimes, okay? Tenths are dimes. So are we going to go up or down? Or let it rest? All right, so this one's going to stay. It's going to be 670. Okay, what about 37 cents? Is that going to stay or go up? It's going to go up to 40 cents. Okay, and our last one will be 858. Will this go up or down or stay the same? I mean, it is going to go up. So it's going to become 860. All right, let's check our answers. There you go. So it's $4. We were correct here. $2 and $1. Good job on these. 670, 40 cents, and 860. We did a good job. And that is the end of our notes. For my students in my online class, I want you to do types of graphs and charts, reading and creating graphs and charts. Thank you for watching these videos, and good luck on your math test.